Welcome to JH. Today, we'll demonstrate how to combine clips within Adobe After Effects. Start by launching the software and either starting a new project or opening an existing composition. Next, import the specific layers you intend to merge into your timeline. To keep things organized, assign a matching label color to these layers to group them. Highlight all the clips you want to join together, then right-click one of your chosen layers and pick a specific label color. Once labeled, right-click any layer in that set. Go to the context menu and pick Select Label Group. This action highlights every layer sharing that specific color or group name. With the layers highlighted, navigate to the Layer menu at the top and select Pre-Compose. Alternatively, use the shortcut Ctrl+Shift+C on Windows or Command+Shift+C on a Mac. When the dialog box pops up, simply hit OK to finalize the pre-composition. As you can see, your layers are now consolidated into a single pre-composition. If this guide was useful, please like the video and subscribe for more.